So this is my first plant haul. Let me show you what I got. Normally I have this, and this is a huge giant version of the same plant. This Philodendron Congo cost me 200 rupees. Variegated rubber plant. At onset it might look that it is a distressed plant, but then I looked at the branching. It has a lot of branching, and as you can see here, it has new growth. That's why I know it is healthy, and in 200 rupees it was a steal. Then I have this Bougainvillaea, very nice, very interesting, almost a 3 foot tall for 100 rupees. Do you know the name of this one? I got it in many varieties, many colors. This is a poppy flower. I got it for 10 rupees a plant. This is Petunia. And every time a bloom kind of wilts, you just deadhead it. Remove this, and then it will bloom again. I got this one for 50 rupees. Again, amazing deal for a plant which is so full of flowers. This is a Swiss cheese plant, and it is expensive. According to me, I got it for 250 rupees. Let's start with this praying plant. This is 200 rupees. I'll plant it, I'll propagate it, and my plan is to just make a huge big plant out of this one. Then I got another one. Because we are shooting in evening, this has closed. In the daytime, when there is light, it will open up. That's the beauty of this plant. There's another one. I absolutely love this one. All these are around 200 to 250 rupees. All the Marantas and Calatheas. Do you know the name of this plant? It's Peperomia. It's amazing. I think we got it for 100 rupees or 150. Variegated Peperomia and the normal green Peperomia. These both were 200 each. I think they were amazing. This Chinese evergreen. You might have seen the Chinese evergreen, or also known as Angalonema, pink variety in my videos. This one is a different variety of the same plant. We have some Enjoy pothos. I already have this variety. There's a lot of pothos I already have, but I love pothos. This is neon pothos, and this is another variety of Peperomia. Just imagine how much fun we had buying these plants. It might seem a very common plant compared to the others, but in this season I love Salvia. This is what is known as chipkali bale. It will just climb on the walls. So my house has blue walls on the outside, and I always wanted to put a green chipkali bale on that wall. I think it will look amazing. Also, it will look amazing on this wall, yellow one. But this one doesn't get sunlight, and chipkali bale needs a lot of sunlight. Can you guess how much I got this Dahlia for? It's 10 rupees. It's great. This is an excellent plant if you want a hanging basket. It's much more dense than any other thing that you will use for a basket. Here, the leaves are very small, but at the same time, they're so dense that it always, 100% of the times, it will cover all sides of the basket. It's not Bougainvillaea. It has variegation in white to pink. So there are leaves here which are both white, green and pink, and it looks excellent. We have a bird nest fern. It loves humidity. Ferns near a sink or anywhere where it's going to be a running tap with water. Oxalis, very popular plant. So do you know the name of this? This is Madhumalti bale. For a lot of people, Madhumalti and money plant are two plants which they've grown with. And that's why I really wanted to get this plant. So which of these is your favorite plant? Is any one of these your wish list plant? Or if there is a plant about which you would like me to do a more detailed video, then do comment. Now we have the plants and we can do a video on that. So take care for now and see you soon.